Good afternoon. Hello, everybody. My name is Bob Sullivan, candidate for Oklahoma Insurance Commissioner. A little bit about myself. This is the first elected position I've ever sought. I have spent the last 20 years of my career in the insurance industry, early on as a commercial underwriter, and for the last 16 years I have been an independent agent and broker. I'm the only independent agent and broker in this race seeking the office of Oklahoma Insurance Commissioner, and I think that matters. Independent agents and brokers specialize in a competitive market. We represent multiple carriers and try to work to provide our clients, policyholders, with multiple options, competitive markets, and ultimately help Oklahomans manage their day-to-day risk. And that differs from captive insurance agents that specialize in one carrier, and there's nothing wrong with those agents, but ultimately I believe the expertise that I bring as an independent agent is going to be key in restoring the Oklahoma competitive homeowners insurance marketplace and bring premiums down for the citizens of our state. Also, I believe that the actions of the Oklahoma Insurance Department currently to focus on better risk management, better roof quality and construction practices are going to be vital to the improvement of our insurance marketplace and bringing rates down for policyholders in our state. Finally, what brought me to this race ultimately was the growing dissatisfaction with policyholders when that bad day comes. When the claim occurs at your home or your business, you deserve to have an advocate and a partner in putting your life back together and restoring things to how they were before that bad event occurred. And I believe that it's the insurance commissioner's job to be a watchdog for the consumers in that right and not a lapdog for the insurance carriers that are operating in our state, but don't actually reside in our state. I'm here to be for Oklahomans and by Oklahomans and ultimately bring that advocacy and that empathy back to the insurance department so that Oklahoma policyholders have someone that they can go to if they have a disagreement or some other issue with their insurance partners. I believe that the insurance department needs to be that check and balance in the system so that we don't have to have needless litigation. I believe that if we can get to the issue in the heart of a problem and be that intermediary and be that advocate for the consumer, we'll have better satisfaction. Insurance companies will do what they're supposed to do. Obviously, policyholders are required to pay their premiums. I believe insurance carriers should be required to pay their claims. Once again, my name is Bob Sullivan, candidate for Oklahoma Insurance Commissioner. I would appreciate your vote on June 16th. Please find out more about my campaign at votebobsullivan.com or find us on Facebook.